Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is Tower of Soma. Tower of Soma, as you can recognize from the styling, is yet another design by Volker Latusek, and as you know he has been exploring with different ways of putting Soma cubes into boxes and making it difficult to put the pieces into the box, which is the challenge, but often it's even difficult to get them out. So for Tower of Soma, the object of the puzzle is to put a Soma cube into this tower, and as you can see here we have a hole where pieces can go in and out. However, the hole is offset by half a unit from the regular cubic grid. So it's not trivial to solve this, and to make it possible, Volker he added an extra layer. So this is the packing solution. All the pieces are in the box, but they don't form a cube. So in order to start solving the puzzles, first you need to take the packing solution and get pieces out. So I get the yellow piece out, and let's see what other piece can I get out. I can get the red one to move up and out. And actually from the packing solution it's not extremely difficult, but surprisingly even the packing solution is a challenge to solve, because here we have the green piece. I'm moving it up, but now I can't move it up any further. So maybe it's not the green piece that should move next, but the orange one. But now I can't get it out either. And surprise, surprise, I'm stuck, but I can move the gray piece out, then I can move the orange piece in, and I can move the gray piece up, and now we have a bit of more space. So which would be the next one? Let's try whether it's the green one. I have now enough room to rotate the green one, and I can get it out. And here we have the orange piece. I can get it out, and now things should get easier and easier. There we are. We have the blue piece out, and we have the purple one. So here you could already see how difficult it is to get the pieces apart from their packing solution. But now the goal is to pack it as a cube inside the puzzle. So the top layer should be completely empty. So the question is now divided in multiple questions. First of all, where should all the pieces go? So the solution is obviously a Soma cube solution, but this is already not a Soma cube because there's one piece wrong. So there are many ways that everything would fit in there, but there are actually only one or two ways that you can get the pieces in and get them out. And I've solved it. I'm not going to demonstrate it for you. Of course, I'm going to provide you with the solution on my Print It Yourself site, so you know where to go. But yes, this is another brilliant one, and it may be even one of the more difficult ones. It's very hard to tell. So one question that I have is about my task. That is about the representation of the solution. So you saw the packing solution with the yellow piece a bit sticking out a bit higher, but still everything was inside. So people could think, hey, I've put all the pieces into the box, I've solved it. Whereas the real solution is when you put them into a Soma cube. So it should be a cube and the top layer should be empty. So what would be a better way to represent that is the actual challenge? Thank you for watching.